Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices and making the first connection. Plug a genuine Lightning to USB cable into the iPhone and a free USB port on the Windows 10 PC. This establishes a direct data link, which is more stable than Wi-Fi. Once done, unlock your iPhone and enable Personal Hotspot in Settings so the phone advertises a network over USB. Make sure Windows Settings, Network, and Internet is open so you can watch the adapter appear and be ready to install drivers if prompted. Once the cable is connected and Personal Hotspot is active, you may need drivers on Windows. When the iPhone prompts Trust this computer, tap Trust and enter your passcode. This authorizes data exchange. Then, in Windows, open Device Manager and locate Apple Mobile Device Ethernet under Network Adapters. If you don't see it, run Windows Update or install the latest Apple iTunes to supply the driver. This resolves most missing device issues. After drivers install, Windows will create a network interface that uses your iPhone. Finally, confirm the USB hotspot is active and test connectivity. In Network and Internet, select the newly created adapter and set the profile to private if you plan to share resources. Otherwise, leave it as public. Open a browser and visit a website or run ping 8. 8 from command prompt to verify packets flow. This tells you whether DNS is the issue versus general reachability. If it fails, try one key troubleshooting step. Toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, replug the cable, and restart both devices to clear transient USB or network stack errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.